Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix emails not coming in on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video. Now, in order to fix the issue, what you need to do is first check if your internet connection is strong or not. Now, in order to check that, all you gotta do is scroll down from your notification bar and then try to switch from the Wi-Fi connection, and if that doesn't work, try switching it to the data connection and then trying it again. And if that doesn't fix the issue, what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings app, scroll down until you find the general option. And once you're in your general option, here simply tap on iPhone storage. And once you tap on iPhone storage, and then once it loads according to the apps presented in your phone, scroll down and find the Gmail app. And once you tap on it, here you'll see two options, that is offload app and delete app, right? Now simply tap on offload app and then tap on offload app to start the process. And what this does, it clears any bugs or caches that is related to Gmail and that might be causing the issue for not receiving emails. Right now, all you gotta do, and after this process is done, it'll ask you to reinstall the app once again. Just tap on reinstall and then try again. And if still the issue isn't fixed, what you can do is head to your app store and then on the search bar type in Gmail and then check to see if there is an update for the Gmail app, because the issue might be causing because the app might be using an older version, and that might be leading the emails to not come into your iPhone. And that's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching.